Stock number 405-280. It's a 2020 Edge. Front fender's no good. Driver door's no good. No front bumper. Hood's no good. Radiator's bent. Radiator core support's bent. No headlights. It does have a key. It does not start because of the damage to the front end. Front fender's no good. Front door's no good. Front fender's no good. Steering wheel airbags deployed. The driver roof airbags deployed. The driver knee airbags deployed. The driver seat airbags deployed. The driver and the passenger seat belts are locked. It does have a key. It does not start because of the radiator damage. The passenger side. There's the driver's side. Does not have third row seating. Stock number 405-280. It's a 2020 Edge. Does have a key. It does not start.